back. I'm going to start with some perfecting skin tint because I'm doing this for nighttime, so I'm not doing any sunscreen. And I usually put this on with my fingers, but I just got this new Real Techniques Expert face brush that I want to try out. It's so soft. It's definitely absorbing some, but not actually as much as I would have thought. And then, because I'm breaking out like crazy town, I'm gonna use my NARS matte concealer in Chantilly. I tend to like this guy for spots. I'm convinced it's because of the phone at work. It's like a shared office cordless phone, and it's just like a strip of acne right here, which is really disgusting. Just feather those edges. I'm gonna do boy brow next. Eyeliner. So I really wanted to do, I'm really into just like dots instead of liners. So we're gonna see how this works. I've never done it before actually with a liquid liner, but I feel like, so the thing is, I just want it just outside of my pupil, not directly above, but when I'm looking straight ahead, just on the, just like half intersecting. Oh, my skin looks really good using that brush. So this is a really pointy one. I'm gonna try the other side because this seems to be too fine. So here's the thing, the circle's really hard to do. I could clean that up. That's what I was going for. I expected this to be circle, but I kind of like this weird, chunky liner. I'm just gonna bring it in a little bit. Okay, so I started out thinking I was gonna do this as circles, but I'm really into this just middle line. So that's what I don't want to happen, so just don't look up while your liner dries. And just make sure you get in the lash. I'm kind of down for how this looks like it's floating with the inner corner. I didn't get the lash in there, but from the other side, I can't do that and it gets close to the lash line on this side. I'm just gonna fill that in because it's like less than a millimeter of skin showing through between the very root of my eyelashes and the line. So I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye. Hello? Be right down. I ended up making it a bit longer. And this one was too thick compared to this one, so I made it longer and now thin it back down. I like doing liner on completely bare lids. It feels fresher to me. I'm gonna put on Lash Slick and then do a final once over to get rid of the transfer on the top. I have Halo Scope and Quartz just on my, like, the kind of half moon around. And then it just feels like summer. I'm in a white cotton dress. I need a suntan. I'm gonna use Cloud Paint and Dawn. With this, because it's so pigmented, oh boy, it keeps coming out of the tube. The tube got crushed. There's way too much on the back of my hand. I'm taking my McGrath Skin Fetish brush and I'm working it into the top bristles, and then I kind of put it on there, and I'm almost going to do this like where I highlighted. Whew. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I have so much on the back of my hand, I'm going to put some on my eyelids. Cloud Paint so far does not seem to take off liquid liner. More on the outer corner of my eye. Now, quite frankly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing to look like a clown yet. Alright, so to get rid of this shit, just this, oh, that it works. I'm just gonna get a bit more skin tint. I'm gonna do 2 drops of skin tint. Work that into the brush. And now my skin gets really pink when I will touch it with a brush like that, so I think it's time to leave this. Gen G cake on the lips. Mine is super well loved and broken and probably expired. I'm going to do a little bit more halo scope because I think it got blurred in. This is fully not the look that I intended to do today, but I think I like it. I'm not sure about the eyeliner. I'm gonna bring it into the inner corner. And so the key here is to keep this thing. My cat is playing in a box right now. Is to keep, you go like this, go like this. Capiche, everybody? I fucked it up, guys. Okay, so to do a non-cat eye thick liner look, I'm just kind of keeping it round at the top. I'm even over-exaggerating a roundness is really what's happening. And then I'm kind of tucking it back in and getting it thin again. Perfect. Okay. So now let me just see. I might want to add. That's all good. I'm gonna add on some lash slick to my bottom lashes, just because that makes it a little more mod, you know. And then for the finishing touch, I'm just gonna put on some Glossier Lip Gloss. Just why not? Why not? Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you for bearing with me while I figure out what to do with eyeliner, really. This is such a good, just like orange glow. This is just what happens when I sit down and play with makeup and don't know what I'm doing. Usually this happens like late at night when I'm trying to figure out what to do for videos, but having just come back from vacation yesterday, that kind of just snuck in there. I'm still going to try and do a circular liner look. I'm going to figure out how to do that and then I'm going to show you guys. So check back for that every Monday. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy my, oh my god, what should I call this? Is it the graphic sunset eyeliner? I don't know. We'll see. I'll figure it out while I'm editing. But I still wasted a lot of cloud paint. Don't let these things get smushed. They're beautiful though. So yeah, have a great week. Enjoy your Monday or whatever day it is you're watching this on, and bye!